Savage Gamer here, back again with a brand new video. Today we're playing Epic Games and another game, but we're gonna probably have time for about like three or two mini games on Epic Games and like two on the other game, and then I'm gonna end the video. But since we didn't start it yet, you're gonna see. You're not gonna be sad that you didn't. That's finished. So yeah. So let's go play. And then required trying to launch. Okay, please try. Okay, whatever. Well, let me do something. You're not gonna see the screen right now, but I'm doing something real quick. Okay, back. Let's go. What up, bro? What up, bro? How you doing? How you doing? Hey, bro, you got the same title as me, bro. Fighter. Oh my gosh, can you put on some clothes, sir? Let me just text it out. Bruh, please. Are you gonna say anything, bro? Just put on some clothes. I don't wanna see no naked guy here, bro. Wait, what? Oof. I say oof. Bruh, I need to do a big oof right here. Yes. Oof. There we go. Oh, you don't see it. Dang it. Why you don't see it? I was gonna say the meme. Ooh. Okay, let me say a small oof. 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 Oh yeah. Oof. Oof. What do we do in this? Can anyone tell me what do we do in this was? Or else I will whip you with my flip-flops. No. Why you gotta be so mean? No. Let me get out of here, bros. Hey, bro. Jump. Oh. Let me go on that slide right there. I haven't went on that for a long time. I missed you. I missed you, Slide. I missed you so much. Let go on you. Ready? Set. Yay! That must have hurt. Wow. Let's go in there. Yeah, I think it's more safer to go in here than just going on a water slide. That's why I never went on you. Oh, yes, I like this one. I'm gonna say about yay! Yay! We got this, guys, we got this. No, we're the blue team. I hate blue team. Blue team always lose. But we gotta win, guys. We got to make the first one for blue team. Hey, guys, you're going the opposite direction. We're going this way, guys. I'm the leader here, guys. You gotta listen to me. That's what leaders are supposed to be. Guys, are you dumb? Guys, are you dumb? Guys, are you dumb? Bro, hurry up. Are you guys dumb? You gotta go this way. Okay, now guys, go this way and then turn. Yes. Great job. Yes, yes. See, guys, that's why I'm the leader. Go back. Make it go back. Okay, guys, this way. Guys, don't make it go back over there. Turn it this way. Yes. Good boys, guys. We got this. We got this. Don't put it inside. Don't put it in there. No. See, I always red team loses, but you know, red team always wins. No, guys. I should put this in my notebook. Red team always wins. Now this is the new dictionary. Now this is the true fact. Let me get a pencil. Or no, a pen, whatever. Hold on, what are we doing? No! Always. No! I was just gonna write something. I hate you. No, why you guys gotta be bummed like this? No. Hey, big dude, right there. Yeah, you. I think you wanna talk about you going inside my mouth. I think you wanna get in there. Actually, you should say that to me because you're you're like the hugest here, and I'm like the second. Actually, no, man, you're the same size. Yay! Look at it, dude. Look at it, dude. I'm always gonna win in this. Guys, listen what I'm doing, okay? Okay, guys, just listen, guys. You guys are not. Stop, guys. Stop. Stay here. Keep it there. You. No. Make it come back. Come back, bro. Come back. We got this. Yo. That was so luck. Bro. Oh my god. Yo. That was such a luck. I was about to say no. But dang. Don't mess with me, bro. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. You could start, bro. You should chill and start. You should stop, like, talking to your... Yay! You didn't knock any of us down. Yay! Congratulations. Oh, no! Oh, wow! What? No! What? No! No! I'm falling down. I'm falling down. Boom! Okay, I'm done. Okay, let's go. That's honestly the weird. I was like, what? Like, no offense. That's dumb. That's dumb. Why did I not move, bro? What? I'm talking to you, bro. I'm literally talking to your face, your hairline, your big nose. I'm talking to your mouth. I'm talking to your eyes. I'm talking everywhere around you, bro. Why did you not move, a bad boy? Lights up. What? I want to know how to do this because I do not know how to do this. But let's go. Okay, let's go. What is this? How do we play this? E. Wait, what? Oh, I thought that said E. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Wait, what is this supposed? Oh, you're supposed to jump? How do we do this? I'm oofing too much. No. How does she survive? What? That's like impossible. What? How do we do this? How do we do this? I just died from a light, a beautiful white light. What do you say, Mr. Man? What do you say, Mr. Goose? Camera or Epic Games, whatever your name. What? You guys? I'm talking to all of you guys in Epic Games and Light. You are doo-doo. Alright, done. He did his beautiful speech. Let's do a golf clap. Let's go. This is the last one we're gonna... Actually, we did too much. Let's play something else, guys. Honestly, I said we're gonna play something else. But let's hurry. We don't got that much time. We think we're gonna go home. Play something like Freddy's Tag. No, Parkour Ninja. Well, got enough time, guys. We gotta hurry, guys. We gotta hurry. Probably I'm gonna at least... No. Actually, I'm gonna have enough time. Let's just stop the video. I know I just started. I was not paying attention to time. But let's end the video right here until I get this kill. Let me get this kill. Hold on, let me get the kill. Okay. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and see ya.